Assalamu alaikum. My brothers, my sisters, we're sitting in a little cafe waiting for a bit of tea here in Makkah al-Mukarramah. We've done our Umrah, mashallah. It was very busy for February, and that is a sign of the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because normally at this time of the year it's not as busy as it has been this year. So one of the reasons is post-COVID many people are traveling, and also it's been made quite easy to enter and exit. So alhamdulillah, it's really a favor of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the interim, there are some lovely places to eat and drink as well. Although it's not the main aim of our trip and visit, but I think it's important to have a decent place to eat and to relax as well. It's important also to make sure that you have your immune system intact, or to the best of your ability at least. May Allah accept from us whatever we've done. We took a moment to go and visit some of the sites of importance here in Makkah al-Mukarramah, although we are unable to tick off all of the sites on the list. But Arafah, mashallah, beautiful place. That's where the Hajj takes place. And mashallah, here is our tea. We're watching what they're doing here. Mashallah, he's going to light up the little candle there. And there's quite a bit of, there's a fancy cup of tea there by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I think they come in with some bakhur here as well. We ordered a bit of karak, and we like a cup of karak now and again, alhamdulillah. Here goes the bakhur. If you can have a peep at that, mashallah. What a beautiful ambience they've created. Jazakallah khair, ya habibi. Hada khalas, jazaka shukran. Well, here goes, mashallah. So, we visited Mina as well as Muzdalifah in passing, and at the same time we tried our best to see as much as we could of Mecca. And here goes, now we're spoiling ourselves to a cup of beautiful karak. It may not be as good as the one I have at home, but mashallah, it's still good enough. Home away from home, mashallah. Trust me, the scent of this bakhur is amazing. So usually what is done with the bakhur, if I can just give my friends a little bit of this karak before we show you the bakhur. Brother Uthman, would you like to take that? MashaAllah, tabarakallah. MashaAllah, brother Adam, here goes. Alhamdulillah, bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. MashaAllah. Oh, Sheikh, alhamdulillah, barakallah feekum. There goes, that's yours. And this one can be mine. So what they normally do with the bakhur is they would bring it closer to you, and in order not to let it affect your eyes, those who wear a scarf, they would actually cover the mouth or just below the mouth. You hold it closed and you lift it on top of this, so it doesn't affect your mouth, your nose. Actually, you can breathe from here. So you can breathe there. Your eyes are not affected, and there we go. So what happened there is, it goes into the beard and into the clothing that you've worn, and it will actually remain to the following day. When you wash for Fajr and so on, you'll get the scent of this bakhur. So that's how they do it usually here. Sometimes if you don't have something to cover your face, as I said, you leave your nose out and your eyes out, then they would just perhaps bring it towards their faces. If you have a beard, mashallah, it will retain the scent. If you don't have a beard, well, you lose out. But here goes, mashallah, there goes. So brother Uthman, you can go for it as well, inshallah. And there's the tea made in Makkah, mashallah, tabarakallah, bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah, amazing. Not as good as the Pakistani tea, but trust me, it's decent. May Allah bless you guys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.